What's up YouTube? We are back here with another video on our channel Models of Classic Car, and this time we're restoring a Mopar. Yes, a 1970s Plymouth GTX. Now some of you may know we have posted videos approximately 2 years ago, and now we're rebuilding it. So let's start by stripping that body down to its bare bones. So as you can see, we have stripped it down, and we have to cut some of its parts like the front hood and the rear deckler from here, and rear quarter panel from here. So we have cut it and covered it up with paper mache. As you can see, this is our 1969 Chevy Camaro. As you can see, it's still in completion. Now let's place the glaze paper on the 1970 Plymouth GTX. So as you can see, we have covered it with the orange and black glaze paper, and we have also given it racing stripe, single racing stripe, and we have also placed black glaze paper on the rear tail light panel. We were gonna using some of its old parts. As you can see, we are gonna be using these bottle caps and the wheels, but its front and back bumpers will gonna be new. We were gonna be using this front headlight panel and the rear tail lights. As you can see, we have made new headlamps for this GTX, and we have also made new bumpers out of aluminum tin can, and we have also placed a black stripe on the bumper. Now let's place it on the body. So as you can see, the front and rear bumpers have been placed into position. Oops. And now it's time to detail this bad boy. We have made new front and back windscreens for this car, and also the side screens for this car out of paper. Let's place it on the body. So as you can see, the model has been started to look like a Plymouth GTX, as you can see. Now we're gonna detail it further. We're gonna be using a black marker and a scale to make the rear decklet. Let's write GTX here. GTX. Yes, GTX. Now let's make lines for the hoods. Sorry. Here and here. Here and here. At last it's completed, guys. As you can see, the GTX logo on the front. We have further detailed it on both sides, as you can see. SLG1 number plate, we have taken it from this to this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Models of Classic Cars to see more interesting and beautiful classic cars. Like our Facebook page, the link is in the description below. And if you are liking these restoration series, do comment that which model cars restoration you want to see next on our channel.